Creating an eShop involves several steps to establish a digital platform for selling products or services. Here's a concise guide. Planning. Define your niche, target audience, and business model. Research competitors and plan your eShop structure. Domain and hosting. Choose a domain name that reflects your brand and purchase hosting from a reliable provider. E-commerce platform. Select an e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, or Magento. These platforms provide tools for building and managing your online store. Website design. Pick a responsive theme or hire a web designer to create an attractive, user-friendly eShop. Ensure mobile friendliness. Product listings. Add product pages with detailed descriptions, high-quality images, prices, and stock information. Organize products into categories for easy navigation. Shopping cart and checkout. Set up a shopping cart, payment getaways, and a secure checkout process. Website security. Implement SSL certificates, firewalls, and security plugins to protect customer data. SEO optimization. Optimize your eShop for search engines using relevant keywords, meta tags, and image optimization. Content creation. Create valuable content such as blog posts, guides, and videos to attract and engage customers. Testing. Thoroughly test your eShop for functionality, speed, and compatibility with various browsers and devices. Launch. Once satisfied with your eShop, launch it to the public. Promote it through social media, email marketing, and other channels. Analytics and optimization. Use analytics tools to track visitor behavior and sales. Continuously optimize your eShop based on data. Customer support. Provide excellent customer support and easy contact options for inquiries and assistance.